Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with another It's Fall Y'all swap reveal. This next artist, and this is number 15, this next artist that I am going to be featuring today, her name is Carolyn Johnson and the name of her business is Twisted Sister. Okay, if I have any information, and of course I do because I'm looking at her beautiful business card right here, I'm going to leave all her information in the description box. But I want to go ahead and get started. And before I start, I want to say, Miss Johnson, thank you so much, beloved, for taking part and being a part of this It's Fall Y'all swap. Y'all ladies have been bringing it. You've been doing your thing and representing, and I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. But this is her card, and I'm going to make sure I leave all this information in the description box. So we have one item right here, and then we have one large item right here. So this one is for me. So I'm going to open up mine first. And she said, enjoy, Joyce from Caroline. Let me see what goodies you gave me. This is a beautiful bag. Okay, let's get this crack-a-lacking. Oh, this is just too cute. Okay, plenty cards, plenty cards. Thank you so much for the cards, Miss Johnson. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let me see what else I got in here. Some little goodies and some confetti. Oh, this is a pen. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. And let me see, I think, is that it? I know, hold up. Oh, I got some more stuff, y'all. Oh, look at this. That's cute. All right, y'all. So let me just go over my little gifts that I have. Thank you so much, Miss Johnson. I greatly appreciate it. And Johnson is my maiden name. Thank you so very much. Okay, so I have here a pen. This is cute. This is another thing where you thinking outside the box. This is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really cute. So I have this. This is a pen, like a pen. This one is handmade as well. Okay. And then I have two. Oh, this is a pendant. Wow, look at this. Abstract. It's a pendant. So I can make this out of a necklace. And then this is my ring. Oh, wow, look at this. Gorgeous. And I can't get it on that finger. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Wow. It's really nice, Miss Johnson. Awesome, awesome work. Really, really, really nice. Beautiful pendant right here. So thank you so much, Queen. I greatly appreciate all of the gifts that I have been receiving. Greatly appreciate it so very much. And now I'm going to go ahead and get into the next swap. Put my little goodies in the bag. Okay, so here is the next swap. Right here, and this is for her swap partner. She has it wrapped in some really nice, colorful bubble wrap. This is really cute. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, let me move this. Wow. Wow. Y'all just be doing y'all thing. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is a, I believe this is this a bookmark? I believe this is a bookmark. And this is beautiful. Wow. And you use, I'm not even going to tell you the secrets, but this is gorgeous. This is a bookmark. Wow. Okay, let's see what's in this black satchel. This is gorgeous. Oh, wow, another pendant. Look at this. Yes, y'all. Look at that, queens. Gorgeous work. Gorgeous. Abstract. Wow. This is beautiful stuff. Absolutely gorgeous stuff, Miss Johnson. Thank you so much for participating, Queen. So let's get into, oh, she got, oh, so swap partner, you're going to get quite a few things. So she got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So let's see what's in here. Oh, wow, another ring. Oh, look at this one. All right, Queen. This is really cute. Wow. It's gorgeous. Okay. People love different. People love, believe it or not, Queen, people love abstract jewelry. They love it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at these babies. Oh, whoever gets these are going to be in heaven. I'm in heaven. Let me shut up. These are gorgeous. Look at these. Wait a minute. Do y'all see these babies here? They're nice and big too, y'all. Nice and big. Look at this. Look at this work. Gorgeous. Wow. So much talent, so much talent, so much talent. Wow, that's all I can say. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so these are earrings. So I think y'all, if I'm not mistaken, y'all, it looked like y'all are going to be getting a whole set. Because you got a ring, you got a pendant, you got a bookmark, you got the earrings, and let's see what this last one is. Another pair of earrings and a pen. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Made for you. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at these earrings. And you coming into your own. This is what you do. This is your brand. Stick to your truth. This is gorgeous. Let me move this so y'all can really see. Look at these. Stick to your truth, Miss Johnson. And I'm saying that because I've never seen anything like this before. So stick to your truth because this is your brand. Gorgeous. Okay, y'all. So with that being said, look at the items that y'all going to be getting. Y'all going to be getting some really, those of you who participated in this swap, awesome items, y'all. Awesome items, okay? For those of you who are new to this channel, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. I got a couple more of these videos to do. And I want to thank y'all so very much for taking the time out to watch each and every one of these videos. Have a wonderful and awesome day, ladies and gentlemen. Until the next one. And once again, Miss Johnson, thank you so very much, Queen, for participating in this swap and allowing yourself to be a blessing to one of the queens here in the group, and also walking in your greatness and allowing yourself to be a blessing to others. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.